Hi and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you an amazing new free AI tool that can clone your voice in just 1 minute. This tool is called myvocal.ai. With this AI tool, you can create text-to-speech content with your own voice and even sing using your AI voice clone. This website is currently in a beta version and free to use. Even in beta, this tool will blow your mind. Okay, let's get started and see how we can use this tool to generate our AI voiceover. But before we starting to use this website, let's explore its documentation to understand more about this tool. You can find the documentation link in the video description, and this software will have 4 main features in the near future, including instant voice clone, cross-language voice cloning, emotion recognition, and AI voice blender. Now let's register to start using this website. Go to myvocal.ai. You can find the link in the video description and click on sign in menu to register using your Gmail or Facebook account. Or you can simply enter your email and click on free to use. They will send you a registration link in your email. After registration process is complete, click on the record voice menu to start recording your voice to train myvoice.ai. You have to record 25 voice samples, and this is very simple and awesome because 25 sentences is easy to everyone to record. To start recording, simply press the record button. Make sure you give this website access to your microphone and start recording. After you finish recording, you can play to listen to your recorded voice. When you are happy, just click submit to submit your voice. Or you can click record again if you find the voice not good enough. And make sure you record your best voice without noise for the best results. Keep doing this process until you finished all 25 samples. After finishing, you can check your clone progress by clicking the check my clone, and in my experience it will take around 30 minutes to finish. After the cloning process is finished, you will get a notification email. Part 2 in this video is text to speech, and this will help you to use your AI voice generated. To use our AI voice for text to speech, you can go to the text to speech page, click the plus button to open the next input window, enter your text, and press the submit button to create audio from your text. You will get a 500 character free credit every day. Here is my AI voice result. Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be talking about passive income. Passive income is the money you earn without actively working for it. Before we started, make sure to subscribe to my channel and like the video. Thanks for your support. Okay, part 3, let's sing. To make our AI clone voice sing, simply go to the voice template page, choose your desired song template, click sync my AI voice, and you are done. Press the play button to listen to your voice singing this song. I can't show you my sample song because of copyright issues, so you have to try it yourself. After you find the song that matches your AI voice, click the email button so my vocal AI will send you the download link. Part 4 in this website is tongue twister. Go to the voice template again and select the tongue twister to test how good this AI voice is.
Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. A peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked. If Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers,
Betty bought some butter, but she said the butter's bitter. How much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? Lesser leather, never weathered, wetter, weather, better. If 2 witches would watch 2 watches, which witch would watch which watch?
You can improve your AI voice by uploading a better version of your voice. In conclusion, this website is an incredible free AI tool that can clone your voice in just 1 minute. With its easy to use interface and powerful features, myvocal AI allows you to create text to speech content and even sing using your AI voice clone. At the end, thanks for watching this video. Please like, subscribe and share to support me. Have a nice day and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.